Hey guys, this is Robert Broussard, and I want to show you how to get Beachbody on demand on your Amazon Firestick. Okay, first thing you're going to need to do is get your Amazon Firestick installed. So go ahead and get it going and get the screen pulled up and use your remote. And what you want to do is navigate over to the search feature. So once you're searching, just start typing in Beachbody. And you'll see it already come up, Beachbody on demand. Just scroll down, select that, and there's the app. What you want to do is just press the center button and it will download your app. Once downloaded, you can open it. Now what you want to do is log on to your computer and whatever code it gives you, type that in, and then it should work. Now what you want to do is go to beachbodyondemand.com/FireTV. Go to that website and it's going to ask you to log in. You may already be logged in, but if you're not, go ahead and log in. I'm going to go ahead and log in to my Beachbody on Demand account. And now it gave me an activation code to enter. So I'm going to enter my activation code and then run down to my weight room and see what happens. Okay. All right, my activation code is obviously going to be different from your activation code, but I guess this worked. So now let me head down the weight room and see what I see on the FireTV screen. And when I came back to my weight room, looks like it's already set up and good to go. So go to the library. I'm an all access on-demand member, so I literally get all the workouts for an entire year. Best deal ever. So these workouts actually just came out this week, the week of hard labor. Isn't this cool? It's like Netflix for Beachbody, but you have every program ever released. Yeah.
Hard labor, core. Are you ready to do whatever it takes? I know I am.
Pause it.
Nick, I want you to extend the elbow up. Cyril, come up.
This is pretty cool. Shift shop workouts. This program just came out. Look at all these workouts. Oh yeah, P90X, the one that started it all. Right from your remote. And you should be able to find the app on the home screen. Look at that, it's got your recent apps already for you. Very convenient way to get your workout in. And you can take that Amazon Firestick with you. It's so little. You can actually take it to a hotel room, take it traveling on vacation. Easy stuff.